The Uni Knot, also called the Duncan loop after Norman Duncan, was developed independently as a fishing knot in the early 1960s. It was popularized as the Uni Knot by Dick Dunaway, an editor at the Miami Herald, in a 1970 fishing book. Tests have shown that the Uni Knot is stronger than the Palomar Knot, making it one of the key knots you must know, especially for beginners. Today, we'll show you how to tie the Uni Knot with a thick monofilament line, including a critical tip you need to know. Then we'll demonstrate how to tie it with braid. We'll use a thick line so you can easily follow the steps, particularly if you're a beginner. Lastly, we'll show you how this knot can also help secure two lines together, such as a thick line and a light braid line. To tie this knot is very easy. First, pass the end of the line through the eye of the hook and form a complete loop alongside the standing line. Working from inside the loop, wrap the end around both lines about 5 times for heavy mono lines. Here's a tip. Lightly tug the end of the tag so that the loop forms a little twist, making it look like a spectacle before you fully snug up the knot. Lubricate with water or saliva. Tighten so the loop spirals and closes up firmly against the eye of the hook. Trim the excess tag end, and there you have it, the standard Uni Knot, a very secure and strong knot. Next, we'll look at how to tie this knot using a lighter line, or in this case, a braided line. The steps are identical to the earlier demonstration. However, when working with a braided line, make around 8 to 10 wraps to ensure the knot is secure. Now we shall demonstrate the steps you've just seen in beginner's mode with a simple step-by-step guide so you can follow along. Feel free to pause the video or replay it to make sure you get it right. Remember, practice makes perfect. The Uni Knot is not just useful for tying terminal tackles but also superb for joining two fishing lines together. Using the same rule with a thicker line, stop at around 3 to 5 wraps, while with a lighter line, increase the wraps to 8 to 10. Thank you for watching this video. Did you know our channel boasts over 315 video tutorials about fishing and fishing knots? Check out our other videos and elevate your knot tying knowledge. Subscribe to our channel as we strive to upload one video a day. Catch you on our next one. Tight lines, people.